Hello, my lovely fellows. Do you want to become a phonics teacher in just 5 days and start your own classes? If so, this video is for you. If you are a parent, teacher, a student, or anyone who is into teaching and want to earn some extra money, watch this video to the end because today I'm providing you with everything that you need, and by the end of the video, I'll also give you a bonus. So, if you think you have no training, no experience, no resources, and no assistance, but still want to earn some extra income as a phonics teacher, this video is for you because we have got you covered. How? Here you are. We are providing you with a 5 day in depth phonics training, which is online, and you can get this training at your own pace within your comfort zone. Moreover, if you think that training is not enough, I need some more help, so you have the free video lessons of each and every phonics sound where you will learn how to teach kids what are the steps of teaching phonics that you can literally do in your class and what is the right way of communicating with kids while doing these classes. From revision, story, writing formation, blending, and segmenting, each and everything is covered in these video lessons. Furthermore, you will also get the homework pages here. You don't even need to think that what should be the homework for your kids. Everything is given in these video lessons. You just need to go through this video lesson before you give this lesson to your students. Now, if somebody is thinking, then from where do we get these resources? So don't worry, for this as well, I'm providing you with free worksheets for all the 42 sounds. Each sound has 4 worksheets with which you can help your students understand the sound and practice this phonics sound again and again. You can download these worksheets from my website, or you can ask your students to direct them directly from the website. Now, there's something more. If you are an online teacher or you want to become an online teacher, you must be looking for slides. So, the slides are also available on a monthly and yearly affordable subscription. You just need to get in touch with me or any of my coordinators, and we will guide you through about the subscription plan of these slides. And believe me, it's just a minimal cost. And believe me that if you take the training, you get the resources, and you start your classes in no time, you will be a professional phonics teacher. You will feel the difference and you will surely get students. And if you have been watching the video to this point, you deserve a bonus. And your bonus is that you can claim an ISO certificate after completing this course. But for that, we have a few requirements you can easily fulfill. So, what are you waiting for? This is the right time to take an action. Check the description box of this video to avail the 5 day free training of phonics. And if you want to get connected with one of our team members or to directly with me, join our WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description box. For any further details, you can message me, you can write a comment, and I'll be there for you for sure. With this is the end of our today's video. I hope you found it great. If yes, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it now. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now, and don't forget to make